Hey, we're going to look at a dazzling media desktop speaker or laptop speaker or cell phone speaker, I think. It's not Bluetooth or anything, so let's take a look at it. Got this on Amazon for like $10. It'll be linked in the description below. If you have any questions or anything, just leave me a comment. Let's take a look at the box. So there's E3568 dazzling speakers. USB. Click on the icon on the taskbar. Select USB to playback. Here's a back. Here's the bottom. Nothing. Just a box. And here's the info on it. Power output 3 watts, 3 watts. So 4. Let's see. And there it is. Let's take a look at it. And then here's the other info on top. Let's open it up. Here's the inside. Take it out. Let's see. Instructions right there. And also a USB to USB-C. Then let's take a look at it. So yeah, here it is. USB cable, touch screen right there, or touch. For the light, touch once to control light, touch for 2 to 3 seconds to change USB/Bluetooth. There is a Bluetooth on this? Oh, okay, let's take a look at it. Looks like there's plastic on the rubberized feet. So take those off and then it'll be rubberized feet. There's the speakers, and look like there's a sound from it. Looks like there's nothing on the bottom, nothing on the back, no other info to inform you what's on it. Nope, nothing else. So let's take a look at the instructions. Here's the instructions. Bluetooth version 5.1. Oh, there is Bluetooth on this. Press short for RGB. Wireless connectivity. So yeah, let's see if this runs. Let me grab the laptop. So yeah, let's plug this in. Set this in here. Pull this right here. And then set this here. USB. Plug it in. And then turn it on. There. Is it up? And then touch that for the sound and color, I mean. So let's play it. So it looks like there's a headphone jack and mic jack too. So that's cool. So you can just plug it in while it's in front of your desktop computer. So you have it run. So let's see how the Bluetooth works. Touch to change the Bluetooth.
Bluetooth mode. AUX mode. Bluetooth mode. AUX mode.
Oh, okay. So yeah. If you have any questions or anything, like and subscribe. See you guys. Thanks for watching.